We gave the extraordinary new KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the top chefs from the world-renowned Institute of Culinary Education in New York City and asked them to put it to the toughest tests in their professional kitchens. Watch their reactions.
That was fast.
And that is one of the most powerful blenders I've ever worked with.
The exclusive KitchenAid Diamond Blending System with patented stainless steel blades and 60-ounce patented diamond pitcher design creates a powerful vortex, while the IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts for optimal speed and power.
What I really like about the exclusive diamond blending system is it allows you to blend fresh ingredients packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So creations like this are both healthy and delicious.
Basically, we're getting perfect results with everything.
And just look at the impressive results when the chefs tested it against this professional-style blender. When your blender is this good, there's so much more to make. Like gourmet crepes for breakfast, fresh salads for lunch, delicious soups for dinner, and more. Even healthy smoothies and delicious frozen drinks. Put the ice chef-tested KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the test in your kitchen.
The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty. Part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
No, my mustard not get no color. Yeah, my mustard not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh yep, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yep, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. My mustard not get no color. Yeah, my mustard not get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again.
At Cosori, we believe that you can live life tastefully. And we believe you can do that and more with our new C700 Pro Professional Blender. Designed with a powerful 1500-watt motor, this blender cuts, crushes, and grinds nuts and produce to the perfect consistency while still retaining all of the vital nutrients in your foods. And unlike other blenders, the Cosori Professional Blender comes equipped with a variable speed control to easily whip up culinary creations. No more unnecessary button mashing. You can prepare a wide variety of foods in the 64-ounce container. Beat the summer heat with frosty treats like fruitful smoothies, creamy milkshakes, and naturally sweetened sorbets. Skip the stove when preparing warm soups for the cold season. The motor revs up to 30,000 RPM, heating up your ingredients as they blend, so that your soup is ready to serve once the blender stops running. Create healthy nut butters for you and the family to snack on, your very own spice mix to wow guests at dinner parties, and even nutrient-rich baby food for the little ones in your family. Our included recipe book is sure to help fire up your culinary creativity. Need it to go? Use the 27-ounce travel bottle so you can enjoy your fresh blends wherever your busy schedule takes you. We believe that a happy life is a healthy one, and the Cosori Professional Blender can help you live life tastefully.
This is the NutriBullet PRO, the nutrient extracting powerhouse designed for anyone looking to use the power of nutrition to improve their overall health and well-being. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet PRO breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, extracting those vital nutrients locked inside, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet PRO's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with NutriBullet's exclusive cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet PRO comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, a colossal 32-ounce cup, and 24-ounce cup. It also comes with a flip-top to-go lid, so your smoothie is ready to go whenever you are. The NutriBullet PRO is built to last, durable enough for everyday use, and protected by a full 1-year warranty. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet PRO.